Hello, we are talking about being alone during COVID-19 as a student. When you're an online student, it is okay to reach out and join groups. This is to help subside loneliness. Sometimes you can have other emotions come about when you are alone in a quarantine situation. When you feel low, you can reach out for what it is you think you need. There's no shame in reaching out to others or joining a social platform to bring your spirits up. Seeking something you have always been interested in, knowing more about, can energize you and enriches your life even while you're online learning other subjects. Another emotion you can experience besides loneliness is frustration. The lack of student interaction when you're an online student can be overwhelming. Frustration is a feeling that you can overcome by identifying what it is and addressing what is frustrating you. Another emotion is reflective. You can become reflective, and this is okay. Sometimes it helps you sort things out. You can also experience anger. Anger for the way things sometimes are. As a facilitator, you can engage in accepting and helping students work through their emotional dynamics. And you can read the rest here. You can experience joy as an online student also. Thank you for joining. Feel free to go back through the demonstration.